Hello my bitches, what is up? I here have my vape and it is hooked up to a wall plug. Straight into the USB cable and oh it works as you can see. But the problem is it's not doing anything. So why does it work but it doesn't work? If that makes any sense. Here I'll give it a go. Nope, nothing. I did all the connections. I don't know what's up. I tried to hook it up to a battery and it doesn't do anything. But the button lights up. So if anyone can help me with that, that would be great. Okay, thanks. Bye.